winds becoming quite gusty, and this is the first overnight situation we've had with the potential for some stronger to severe storms, so we want you to be prepared.
Yeah, definitely always be prepared, but especially have a way to get that information in the middle of the night. One of the ways to do that is with our weather call, and weather call will give you a phone call from a member of the Storm 5 weather team, but right now there's actually a holiday special going on if you're looking for a gift to give somebody. As we say here, give the gift of safety. You can buy one card that's a one-year subscription for $15, but buy two and you can get them for $25. There's the QR code there. It's early. If you don't have the phone handy and need the link for that, hit us up with an email later today and we'll be more than happy to send that link for you. You put in your home address, whatever address you choose, and you'll get a phone call when that address is put under a warning. It is also now available in Spanish as well. Now, that situation is tonight for students in school today. This morning, mostly cloudy, a few leftover showers, especially south and southeast. For the ride home, a mix of sun and clouds, more sunlight to the north, more cloud cover to our south, a stray shower, but the better weather chances will come for tonight. So for today, we're talking mild weather. A few of these storms that arrive tonight could be on the strong side, so something that we'll keep an eye on. And then as we make our way toward the end of the week, after the showers move out, some colder weather moving in. Right now, it's a mild start. Temperatures upper 40s, low 50s, the exception. Low 40s right now, back over into the Paris area. Look at the rainfall totals for the immediate past 24 hours. Nashville International with about an inch of rain. Some healthy rainfall amounts across the area will add more to that total for tonight and in the morning. Right now from Hopkinsville, you're chilly, you're 44. So our southern counties, low 60s today. Our northern counties only hitting the mid to upper 50s. And you can see the cooler air that I talked about, Paris at 41. You're on the backside of that front right now. So we'll keep an eye on this particular system. The next wave of rain moves in for tonight. With that one, we'll watch it because a storm or two could be on the strong side. This setup is valid through tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., Nikki D. So something that we just need to watch. It looks like a low-end setup, but it's going to happen at night, so we need to be careful.
And a lot of times when it comes to that particular time frame, that's when we really want everyone to have those extra ways to get alerts. And right now it is looking at a lower severe threat, but it's missing an ingredient. And if that were to come into play, that would change things just a bit. So rain chances today, very low. We're talking 10 to 20%. The best areas will be on the south side, so closer to the Kentucky-Tennessee state line. And then it's overnight tonight, going throughout rush hour commute tomorrow morning and on and off throughout parts of the afternoon, where we're really going to notice not only the showers, but thunderstorms moving in. So here's what we look for things to look like. You'll notice we'll see a little more sunshine today, hugging areas closer to the Kentucky-Tennessee state line, while the rest of us hold tight to some of that cloud cover. We'll start to see some scattered rain showers that quickly do move their way northward as we make our way into this evening, continuing on and off into tomorrow morning. You'll notice by around 4 or 5 o'clock, we're going to see this system really start to bring some gusty winds ahead of it as well as within it. And when you look at this model run, we know it's not the gospel, but it is a good indication. And when you do see something that looks like this, see how it kind of bows out just a bit? That's what's looking at the potential for concern, because if things do pan out, there could be a chance of a quick spin up tornado with this. Never seen that to frighten you, but you need to know the cards that we're currently dealt. But you'll notice as we go throughout the morning time frame, things do really start to thin out just a bit and become a little more widespread, almost feathering out, bringing better rain chances for everyone heading into tomorrow. Your 7-day forecast, highs today will top out 62 in the city. Areas to our north, a little more sunshine, and you'll see those temperatures in the 50s. Tomorrow morning, it is going to be rowdy. Showers as well as some thunderstorms. We're also going to have some winds gusting for us on Wednesday into the 30s at times, especially throughout the first half of the day. Second half, those winds are going to shift out of our north, gusting around 20 to 25 miles per hour. Making our way to Thursday, right around freezing to start by the afternoon, upper 40s, low 50s, and then we get another push of cold air.
Yeah, so another push of cold air coming in for the weekend. We are at 43 on Super Saturday. That Saturday before Christmas is one of the biggest shopping days of the year, as is that Sunday. And then for Monday, right around 50.